everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share my Valentine's Day house tour. Guys, Valentine's Day is extremely important to me. It's the day that my husband proposed to me, and I love decorating my home for the season. I hope you enjoy. I love decorating for every season, guys, but I particularly love decorating for Valentine's Day. I've kept it really simple this year, where I've combined the colours of blush pink and turquoise together, and these are such happy colours that make me feel so good when I'm home. My chase is the focal point of my home and I love styling it. It's actually a massage chair that I picked up off eBay. My little white mirrored cupboard is from my favourite store, TK Maxx. I styled it with this beautiful beachy-like glass ball, also from TK Maxx. And I added some pink stackable boxes from my dollar store, as well as this adorable unicorn that I picked up from Woolworths. My banner was a do-it-yourself kit that I picked up from the store Typo. I added the blush pink letters to the front, as well as these adorable rustic bows that I picked up from my dollar store. I love styling my armchair from Fantastic Furniture. I've added an Adair's throw as well as a feathered cushion from Target and this adorable heart cushion that I picked up from the Reject Shop. And guys, this is my favourite corner of my home at the moment. I recently purchased this blush pink armchair from the store Early Settler. You know, guys, blush pink has certainly stole my heart. The juju is from eBay and the gold and blush pink lamp is from Pillow Talk. The horse cushion is from Big W and the adorable turquoise knot cushion is also from Pillow Talk. And guys, you know I love my Kmart, and this huge round mirror was just $29. Moving on to my entryway, I wanted to give my beachy-like decor a very glam touch, so I added some decorative pieces, like these blush pink ottomans from Kmart. I added these glass-like candle holders and some crystal balls to the top of a gift box that are all from TK Maxx. To the right-hand side, I added the little gift box as well as the Eiffel Tower and the bling tray, all from TK Maxx. On top of the tray, I added my DIY hot air balloon floral centerpiece. I love, guys, waking up to a clean kitchen in the morning, so I love to clean my kitchen at night. Here I've added a little love candle that I picked up from the Reject Shop. The little cactus is from Kmart and these gorgeous flowers are from TK Maxx. What about you guys? Do you always love to wake up to a clean kitchen? It's been my New Year's resolution to try and always clean my kitchen at night time, guys. There's no greater feeling than waking up in the morning and it's already clean. Moving on to my dining room, I recently gave this a makeover. I really love also the style of boho in decorating, and I think the blush pink colour, guys, goes so perfectly with a boho theme. I recently repainted my dresser in the blush pink, as well as these decorative lamps. I added a crochet-like table runner to the top of the dresser. It's from the store Early Settler. And then I also added, for a pop of greenery, this beautiful fake plant from Kmart. To the walls, also from Kmart Australia, I got these beautiful gold picture frames for just $12 each. I printed out some boho style prints off the internet and added these to them. My living room, guys, is the focal point of our home. This is where we all hang out together. I love that the blush pink and the pops of turquoise really tie in so good. I love that my little Bella is making an appearance on camera. I love my cushion collection, guys. It is a little addictive. Most of these cushions are from Target Australia. The Love cushion is from eBay, and the XOXO cushion is from Spotlight. Bella's little teepee is from eBay, and I added some decorative feathers and flowers to the top. Yes, she does go in there, but on this occasion she just loved my white rug too much. And my final room to show you guys is my master bedroom. Guys, I style this bedroom all the time. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm forever changing this room around. My chunky knit throw is from the store Adair's, and I've combined it with my beautiful eyelash cushion by My Lash Designs. I have a video with a discount code for you guys if you'd like to order your very own eyelash cushion, and I'll leave that linked down below. I've added my blush pink chairs from Kmart Australia to the room. My Mr. and Mrs. Benner is from Spotlight, and above it I have my pink notice board where I placed Will You Be My Valentine. This is also from Kmart. My vanity mirror was a purchase off eBay about 2 years ago. Above it is the Girl Boss sign that I picked up from TK Maxx. Here's another shot of my blush pink chairs from Kmart, as well as my DIY Chanel hot air balloon flower centerpiece. Guys, I love the glam style of decorating, and I love combining it for Valentine's Day. I have my lac shelves here from IKEA, which I've styled with many accessories, and here on my nightstand I have my Louis Vuitton book with my TK Maxx beautiful flowers, and the Eiffel Tower was a gift from my niece that I spray painted gold. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. We're so close to 10,000 subscribers, guys, so please hit that subscribe button because I can't wait to share with you all a wonderful giveaway I'm doing here on this channel, where not only will one of you win something, but 5 of you. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and have a wonderful day wherever you are. So until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.